Hi guys, very good morning all of you. How are you? I hope you guys are doing good. So every student is having the same question again and again in the mind. So today morning one student have sent two images to me and he asked me, Pavan sir, in this two which one is correct? One is a very senior chartered accountant, a very highly respected and senior chartered accountant from our CA fraternity. And sir is saying like this, expecting conducive atmosphere around July 5th for holding exam. Then so request students to focus on study and don't wait for schedule which would be there in due course. This is none other than our, Nihar Jambusaria sir. And then one senior chartered accountant, he is also a very senior chartered accountant. He has put his status. My reliable sources have informed me that notification regarding postponement of exams will be issued within 2-3 days. But till then, please don't stop studying. I'll update you as soon as I get any update. Till then, study as per your schedule. So now again, there is a very clear, conflict between these opinions of various people. I have spoken with one senior person in Chennai, very senior person in Chennai, from our professional fraternity. He said there are chances for conducting exam because the cases are drastically coming down. There is a debate on why cases are coming down. That is a different issue. Now many of them are saying, sir, because now there is a strict lockdown in many places. That is the reason number of cases are coming down. So if you lift the lockdown, then there is a probability that there is a possibility that again all these cases will go up. And some other people are saying that how can we rely on the numbers? So all these questions are still there. I am not discussing anything about these questions. Point number one, till now there is still no certainty on it from ICAI. Okay. Why I am making this video is completely for a different purpose, because students keep on asking me, Pavan sir, will exams happen? I am unable to focus. I am telling you, I have spoken about 1 minute, 2 minutes about this examinations on July 5th. But my intention of making this video is completely different. I have registered for this COVID vaccine on, I think, 28th or 29th of April. Till today, there is no availability whenever I open COVID website portal. So whenever I see for, 18 to 45 age gap in my PIN code, there is no vaccine availability. Every day I am checking. One very good news is, one of my students from Kerala, he called me today morning and said that yesterday evening he has taken vaccination. He is hardly 20 years old. 19-20 years old he is. I am surprised. I am not getting vaccine. So how come he got? I don't know. Then I asked him, bro, how come you got this vaccine? Is there any, what we call influence? What he said, he said, CICASA Calicut has conducted a drive, vaccination drive for all the members and for all the students. I have seen many, emails. I have got many emails from ICAI stating about this vaccination drive, availability of vaccine in our ICAI centers in North India. But I have never seen it in our places, like, neither in Hyderabad I have never seen, in Kerala I have never seen. So as of now I have my footprints in 2-3 states. Nowhere I got this vaccination drive by ICAI. But yesterday, it is the information, yesterday evening the vaccination drive happened in one of the CICASA, one of the chapters of ICAI. So what I am telling you is, this is going to be a very good news for us. I really do not know whether they are charging any money or giving it free of cost, or even if they are charging the same amount what our COVID application is charging, we do not mind. We are ready to spend that money, but still we are unable to get the vaccine. Now that Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, but not at a centralized level, decentralized, these chapters are taking the initiative for the benefit of members, practicing ICAI members and students. And I am sure they will be giving some priority to elderly people and all. So, but they are ensuring that whatever the base of the students and practicing members are, if practicing members 100 are there, or if chartered accountants 200 people are there in that particular geography, for example, and if 500, 600 students are there, they are ensuring that vaccine is available for everyone. And there is no rationing system, there is no queuing system there also. Maybe, if 10 people are there, there will be in a queue, that is a different story. So what I am saying is, across India, wherever you are from, whether you belong to NIRC, whether you belong to SIRC, WIRC, CARC, whatever it is, AIRC, I have seen emails from North, and my own student told me from South that it is actually done. So please be in touch with the CA chapter near to you. You will have SRO number, you will have WRO number, some registration number you will have. That you can capitalize now. And if that particular chapter in your location is conducting a vaccination drive, first go and take the vaccine. First go and take the vaccine. I'm not speaking about exams, I'm speaking about vaccination. So if you are getting this on priority ahead of others, so please take the advantage of it. Nothing wrong in doing it in your health interest, in your own interest, and in your family's interest. Okay, and let us wait for ICAI's official communication about this July 5th examinations. Till now, senior members are putting their statuses in Twitter and all, quite completely, different versions. Some people are saying exams will happen, some people are saying exams will not happen. God only knows. But again, I'm telling you the same thing. I really understand how difficult it is in this kind of situation to focus on the exams. Simple decision making tree, I'll tell you. Simple decision making tree. Fix your mind, am I going to write the exam or no? If ICAI is conducting exam on July 5th, because I do not know whether ICAI will conduct on 5th or no. I am a CA student. I am struggling in this uncertainty. Now I have to make a decision. If ICAI is conducting exam on July 5th, if ICAI is conducting exam on July 5th, am I ready to write the exam or no? Be it preparation, be it health reasons, be it vaccine availability, be it your environment, be it your family, be it the number of cases in your location, be it containment zone, whatever the reason is. Are you ready to write the exam, yes or no? If the answer is no, close your eyes. 6 months gone, doesn't matter at all. Does not matter at all. Nothing will happen. But what I am expecting is, since I have spoken with some of the people, what I am expecting is, for IPCC and old syllabus students, they will give one more attempt. That is what my expectation is. And when I have spoken with 1-2 people, they are also positive on it. Why, I'll tell you. Parents association in the whole country, some parents association, I do not know whether it is a long-standing association or newly they have incorporated, I do not know. But one parents association has written a letter to ICAI, an open letter to ICAI. I read the news, I read the article also, I read the letter also. They have written letter to ICAI requesting 2 points: deferment of exam, give more attempts to IPCC students, that means CA inter old students, old syllabus students, and CA final old syllabus students. I really do not know whether exams will postpone or no, but I think ICAI will definitely be positive on giving one more attempt at least to old syllabus students. That is not a big concern now. Many students are asking me, Pavan sir, shall I convert into a new syllabus? I am telling you, the answer is no. N-O, no, full stop. Because if you are a final student, you cannot even imagine the difference between CA final, old syllabus FR and new syllabus FR. Every subject is like that, especially in FR. Zameen Asman ka farak we tell no. So there are huge differences. You cannot even handle how much of the change it is. Okay, so it is a very big headache for you. I am telling you, if you can complete in old syllabus, it is the best. Even in new syllabus also, even for intermediate level also, this consolidated financial statements, you call it bank audit, you call it NBFCs, you call it accounting standards. There are so many additions in the new syllabus. Deletions are there, but they are petty, but additions are heavy. So I do not suggest any old syllabus student to convert now before this exam. So read in old syllabus only. So again, coming back to the decision tree. Step 1, am I writing the exam? Decide. If the answer is no, happily keep all the books in the shelf. Focus on your mental health. Be peaceful. But if at all you are, ready to write the exam, or at least, more than 50-60% ready to write the exam, then please follow the timetables. Please study. I know it is difficult. I really know. I understand. Because as I told you in the last live also, my very close family members, my first cousin and my best friend, if you ask who's your best friend, if I am writing best friend list 1, 2, 3, my first best friend got COVID positive, my first best friend. So I know how much he struggled. I know how much my first cousin struggled. And in the street where I am living, out of 20 houses, in this small street, out of 20 houses, 14 live cases are there. And every second or third day, one ambulance will come and take one body. So I really understand what type of, environment we are in and what situation we are in. Okay. But still, if you want to write the exam, please focus on the exams. It is very difficult, but little, at least, if not for 10 hours, 12 hours, at least 2 hours, 3 hours, spend quality time with your books and do exercises. Focus on your health. Okay. If you do not want to write exam, nothing matters, I am telling you. If you remember on my last live, one student from Chennai, one of my students from Chennai, she has written one comment. Pavan sir, I have never seen you asking don't write exam. I have never seen you. She knows me for 2 years. For 2 years she knows me. She has attended my live class. How studious I am and how studious I want my student should be. How disciplined, how dedicated. I want my student to be with rock, stone heart. Cold-blooded and no emotions. Your friends are enjoying, you sit and study. That kind of person I am. So I always used to motivate my students. So this student knows me for 2 years and she is asking in YouTube, she has posted a comment, Pavan sir, I have never seen you asking to drop the exams, and if you do not write the exam, nothing happens, and giving up is not wrong. So give up the exam. 6 months is not a big deal. These kind of sentences I have never listened from you, and it is very hard to digest having known the kind of person you are. I said, yes, because the circumstances are like that. Because of this circumstance, I am telling you. If everything is normal, if COVID is not there, 1 month before exams, if you call me and ask, Pavan sir, I am feeling anxiety, I do not know whether I will write the exam or no, I would have positively motivated you and I would have asked you, boss, you have to write the exam. I will be a very strict father, a strict teacher. I would have asked you, you have to write the exam. But now I am telling you, there is nothing wrong if you are dropping the exam. Okay, if exams are being conducted 100% certainty, we will, break our heads. If exams are not, being conducted, then we will relax down. But we cannot struggle this uncertainty. It is something like, frying bhaji in the pan. So you are feeling that, in that burning pan, you are there. So uncertainty, we do not know. I completely understand the situation. From my side, I try to speak with some of the people. 15 years of my professional career, I have never called any central council member for anything. I have never called any central council member for anything, whatever it is. First time I took my phone and I called two of my very senior contacts, and I asked them, sir, what about these exams? They told the same thing. One person said, Pavan, it might happen because the number of cases are coming down. Even I have expressed the concern. Sir, numbers are coming down because of lockdown. So in many states, lockdown is there. Now, what if they lift the lockdown? And then if the numbers again go high, and every day these idiots are coming with some new news. They call black fungus, they call white fungus, they call, rainbow fungus, multicolor fungus and all. And one article I read that, some other new virus is there from China, bird flu in human being found, all these things, So I wish I can go back to an era where there is no internet. So this Google News links, they are actually very disturbing. Social media posts and all, they are very disturbing. So in the middle of all these things, I'll tell you one thing, okay? Point number one. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, different branches, like, individual branch level, they are conducting vaccine drives. It is not being done across the country by ICAI centralized. It is done by the chapter office level. Please contact the nearest ICAI, SICASA, that chairman or president or treasurer, whatever the student body activity leaders are there. Please call them, speak with them and ask them if there is any vaccine drive that is going to be in your location. first go and take the vaccine. First go and take the vaccine. If that is available in your particular region, in your particular chapter office, it is a gift to you. Whether they are doing it free of cost, in some branches they told me that Pavan sir, in portal they are charging 1,250. ICAI has collected 500 rupees. This is what my students told. But I do not know. I will be happy, as personally, I will be happy even if ICAI gives at 1,250 rupees also. Fair price, whatever is there in the COVID website, if they are charging, still I am happy. I am a person who wanted government to give free vaccine to all the poor people. Free vaccine to all the poor people. You charge a double amount from people like me, we can afford. We can afford. Like how, 2 years, 3 years back, you people have done, cylinder subsidy, LPG. If you are a rich guy, if you can afford, cancel subsidy. I have cancelled subsidy. I gave up my LPG subsidy because I do not want that subsidy. I can pay full amount. Even vaccine also, my requested got so many governments. For example, Kerala state government, they announced free vaccine to all. They announced free vaccine to all. So, if the state government is announcing free vaccine, that will be superb because central government has not announced. My request is, if government can announce free vaccine to people living below poverty line or lower income group, economically backward communities, you please give to them. So many people who are professionals, who are business people, okay, who are in good employment, who are in good earnings, even in COVID also they are able to earn good amounts of money. It doesn't matter for them. You don't need to give free of cost to them. So it is waste of country's money, I am telling you. If a person can afford, ask him to afford. Ask him to afford. I am telling you, for me and my family members, if you tell vaccine is 5,000 rupees per person, I will pay 5,000 rupees per person if my money is going to be used for a poor man's free vaccination. Okay, but ICAI, one of my students said that 500 rupees is what ICAI charged, but still I am telling you, do not criticize if they are charging money also. Try to understand there is no medicine outside. There is no vaccine outside. In this circumstance, if ICAI branch is conducting, any vaccine drive, we should thank them. And please go and get your vaccine dose. This is point number 1. Point number 2, please maintain your mental health. Like whatever the activity, if you are spiritual, religious person, please pray God. Do some exercises. Have some fun activity and hobby. If you want to write the exam, if you are not writing the exam, Pavan sir, I am not writing the exam this time. I am with you. 100% I will support you. Doesn't matter. Put all books in one carton box and put it on the shelf. No problem. But if you are writing the exam, then don't give up. Please start, continue reading and wait for ICAI's amendment or notification. As of now, there is no certainty. So this is what I wanted to communicate. If the vaccine is available, please do not think anything. Just go and take your vaccine shot. Okay. Thank you so much. I wish you all the very best. Good luck. And please take care of your family, your health, your happiness, your family. These are more important than a certificate, than a degree, than a qualification, than exam, than mark sheet. Okay, if ICAI exam goes after 6 months, again you can write exam. But if you lose health or a family member, you cannot get it back. So that is far more important than your examinations. Please take care of yourself. Please take care of elderly people in your family. Please take care of infants. Okay, all the best. God bless you.